Ever found yourself staring at a scanned PDF or an image, wishing you could just copy and paste the text instead of retyping the whole thing? Today, we are looking at OCR2 Edit, an online suite of AI-powered OCR and document conversion tools that claims to solve this exact problem. Developed by Comgo Web GmbH in Germany, OCR2 Edit is designed to be a simple, web-based solution for extracting text from almost anything. Let's break down what this platform actually does. OCR2 Edit divides its features into four main categories. First, you have convert-to-text tools, which let you extract plain text from JPEG, PNG, or GIF images, as well as an AI-driven PDF-to-text converter. Second, there is Convert to Office, which turns your files into editable Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, or PowerPoint slides. Third, the Scan-to-Text feature is specifically built to handle scanned PDFs, images, and physical documents, turning them into editable digital text. And finally, you can convert images back into PDFs or use their specialized tool to make any standard PDF fully searchable using OCR. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the tool is incredibly accessible. You can set up a free account with no credit card required, giving you instant access to try out the tools. It's also highly versatile, covering almost every standard document format you would need in a school or office setting. However, for our honest review, we have to point out a major limitation. There are currently very few public user reviews or third-party ratings available for OCR2 Edit online. Because of this limited external feedback, it's hard to say how it performs on highly complex document layouts or low-quality scans compared to some of the massive household name converters. So, what's the final verdict? Since OCR2 Edit offers a free tier with no credit card required, it is absolutely worth bookmarking and trying out for yourself. If you have a scanned document or an image that you need converted right now, head over to their site and run a quick test. What do you think? Have you tried OCR2 Edit yet? Let us know your experience in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest tool reviews.